Hello everyone, my name is John. Today I will tell you how to transfer new contacts from Google Contacts to Google Sheets. This is necessary to automatically transfer new contacts from Google Contacts to other systems. For example, in Google Sheets you can create new rows and conveniently interact with them in the future. Now let's move on to the setup. First, you need to create a new connection. Next, select the data source system, Google Contacts. Next, select an action. Get Contacts, New. At this stage you need to connect your Google account to the ApiX-Drive system. In this window you must specify the login and password of your Google account. At this stage, be sure to provide all permissions. When the connected account appears in the list of active accounts, select it. There are no additional settings for the Google Contacts system, so just click Continue. At this stage you can set up a data filter. In this case there is no need for this, so click Continue. At this stage, you see data for one of your Google Contacts. If you are satisfied with everything, click Continue. At this point, setting up the Google Contacts data source has been successfully completed. Now you need to move on to setting up the data destination. Choose the system, Google Sheets. Next you need to select an action. Add row. At this stage you need to connect your Google Sheets account to the ApiX-Drive system. In this window you need to specify the login and password of your Google account. Be sure to mark All Access. When the connected login appears in the list of active accounts, select it and click Continue. At this stage you need to select the file and sheet to which new rows will be added with each new Google Contacts. Now you see Google Sheets columns to which you can assign variables from Google Contacts. In order to do this, click in the field and select a variable from the drop-down list. Please note that you can use not only variables from the drop-down list, but also enter data manually. When all the required columns are filled, click Continue. At this point, you see an example of the data that will be transferred to Google Sheets as new rows with each new Google Contacts. If you are not satisfied with something, click Edit and you will go back a step. In order to check the correctness of the settings, click Send Test Data to Google Sheets. After successful submission, go to Google Sheets and check the result. If you are satisfied with everything, return to the ApiX-Drive system and continue setting up. This completes the setup of Google Sheets as a data destination. Now you need to enable auto-update and select an update interval, for example, once every 5 minutes. That's all. I wish you successful integration settings and good luck.